Good morning, guys. Throughout the day, I'll be sharing what I specifically do to eat healthy. I'll be starting with my first drink of the day. So I'll make that quickly and then I'll bring it here and I'll show you guys. So first thing I'll have is a cup of coffee that I made. It's an instant coffee because we just moved in like yesterday. So we don't have any coffee maker or anything like that. So we're working with what we have. So anything warm like wakes up the stomach and gets it ready and then kind of calms down your nerves as well. So this is amazing. Oh, that's good. Just to like kind of relax the mind, because in the morning it's not necessary. Like sometimes I would just have like maybe like a green tea or lemon water or whatever. And I just want to show you guys like how beautiful our view is. Oh my God, check this out. Oh wow, look at that, guys. The beauty of nature.
The view is so beautiful today.
Yes, isn't it?
Yeah, I like the view so much.
Ta-da! Food is ready. Are you guys ready for this?
Yeah!
So we're headed towards the coffee shop right now and I'll bring my kids to the park after that and then sipping on coffee. So let's go get coffee together.
We're going to the park, we're in the coffee shop, and then we'll walk in right in the street. You can walk the street, we're going to the coffee shop, guys.
Okay.
So, and then
We'll see you there.
Yeah, let's go to the coffee shop and park.
Oh, okay, but can we get in a to-go cup?
What did you order?
I'm getting muffin for the kids and I'm looking for tea options for myself. Americano and a to-go cup as well. Okay, thank you. Aisha,
Hi.
what did you order?
Order cupcake.
What kind of cupcake?
Chocolate.
Are you excited about it?
Yeah. And that's all.
So I just got a Americano and I'm gonna munch on a little bit of the muffins with the kids.
One, two, three, go!
So we're back from the little outing that we had. We had some coffee. We played at the park with the kids and now we're back. And I didn't think that I would be hungry, but I'm actually really starving. So let's make lunch. So for the kids, I'm making this mushroom pasta. For dessert, I'm gonna be having this vanilla plant-based yogurt with coconut flavoring with like a little bit of blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. For the kids, they're having banana yogurt. So that's all.
So let's get started.
Who's gonna eat?